Welcome to the ECOPS Idea Management Module, your organization's central hub for innovation.
Project Manager, Roles and Responsibilities. The project manager plays two major roles in ensuring the success of a project. First, they lead, plan, manage, and drive the project towards completion, making sure everything stays on track and aligned with the defined goals and timelines. They assign tasks to team members, ensuring that responsibilities are clearly defined and work is distributed efficiently across the team members. Let's understand in detail how the project manager plays a key role in the idea management module of the ECOPS software. Let's learn the first role of the project manager, planning and deploying the entire project lifecycle. Once you log in as a project manager, enter the software and select Idea Management. You will be redirected to the home screen. From the home screen, navigate to the Project section and click on My Projects. Here, you will be able to view all the projects assigned to you. Next, click on Project Started. This section contains the projects currently assigned to you. Select a project to proceed. Once you enter the project, you need to fill in the required details. Start by selecting the project start date, followed by the estimated completion date. Scroll down to the Problem Category section and choose the relevant category or categories. Then, select the expected benefits of the project and click on Save. After saving, you can add team members by clicking on the plus. Select the members who will be working on the project. You can add multiple team members. Please note, only the selected team members will be eligible for task assignment within the project. There are additional activities to be completed to ensure proper flow and tool completion is followed. The tools could vary based on whether the project is I3, Process Improvement, or I4, New Product Development. Let's get started. This is a process improvement project that follows the DMAIC cycle. Define, measure, analyze, improve, control. Each phase contains specific tools that need to be used and uploaded. For example, when you select a phase and click on Tools, you will see a list of available tools. Select a tool and click on Add Tool. Once added, the tool will appear in your workspace. You need to provide a description of the tool and upload a relevant PDF document. For example, if you select a Pareto chart, upload the corresponding PDF. You also have the option to create your custom tools, giving you flexibility in project execution. Complete the Define phase and similarly proceed with the Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control phases, ensuring at least one tool is added in each phase. Please note that each phase is expected to have at least one tool uploaded respectively. Likewise, similar steps are applicable for 5.4, New Product Development, and follows DMAIC V cycle. The software has few additional features to be completed for a project such as 1. Minutes of Meeting, MOM. 2. Financial Benefits. 3. Task Assignment and Task Approval. 4. AI Assistance. 5. Project Verification. 6. Project Conclusion. 7. Final Report Download. Let's get into details. Minutes of Meeting, MOM. You can also record meetings using the Minutes of Meeting feature. Click on Create Meeting, enter the agenda, and add the participants attending the meeting. Once done, create the meeting to maintain a record of all project discussions. Financial Benefits. To calculate financial benefits, click on Cost Saving Calculations. You can enter details under Cost Savings, Additional Investment, Additional Revenue. For example, if the baseline cost is 10,000 AED and the final cost is 2,000 AED, the total benefit is 8,000 AED. You can also add additional investments, such as training costs, and calculate the return on investment, ROI. For revenue growth, enter product or service details. For example, if product sales increases from 500 to 1,000 units, you can calculate the overall annual revenue impact. Once all details are entered, save the financial benefits.
Task assignment and task approval. You can also assign tasks to your team members, including self. Click on the plus icon to create a task. Enter the task title and description. Then select the planned start date and due date. Assign the task to a team member or self. Set the priority as low, medium, or high, and click on Submit. Once the task is completed by the team member, the project manager is responsible for approving and formally changing the status to Approved Completed. AI assistance. You also have access to an AI assistant within the system to help resolve any queries during the project lifecycle. Project verification. After completing all activities, update verification details for the project. Click on Save Verification and then proceed to Conclude the project. Project conclusion. Before submitting the project, ensure all phases are completed. At least one tool is added in each phase. Verification comments are updated. Required fields are properly filled. Once everything is completed, you can finally submit the project. Final report download. Every project has a provision to download final project report. The report downloading can be exercised during any stage of the project. Click on the arrow to download the project report.